Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to post Instagram Story from laptop or PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you are logged in to your Instagram account by visiting Instagram.com on your browser. Once you're logged in, you might notice that clicking the Create button on the left side of the screen only gives you options to create a new post. There's no direct option to post a story from here. Even if you go to your profile page and click on your profile picture, Instagram will only ask you whether you want to change or remove your profile photo. So, to post a story from a PC, you'll need to use a small workaround. Right-click anywhere on the Instagram page and select Inspect. This will open the Developer Tools panel with a lot of code, but don't worry, you won't need to write or change any code. At the top left of this panel, you'll see an Elements section, and right next to it is a small device icon. Make sure this icon is enabled as it switches the view to mobile mode. After enabling mobile mode, click on the Dimensions drop-down and select any smartphone or tablet device from the list. It doesn't really matter which one you choose because both iPhone and Android versions of Instagram work the same and allow story uploads. Once a device is selected, click on the Home icon to return to the Instagram homepage. If you don't immediately see your profile picture at the top left, refresh the page 1 or 2 times. Once it appears, you'll notice a small plus icon next to your profile picture along with the text Your Story, just like in the mobile app. Click on this plus icon and a file explorer will open, allowing you to select the photo you want to upload to your story. You'll have limited editing tools available, but if you don't need advanced edits, simply proceed and wait a few seconds for your Instagram story to upload. And that's it. So that is how you can post Instagram Story from laptop or PC. So that's all for this video. Thanks.